Tutaway Podcast Episode 8, The Marvelous World of Insects, The Glow of Fireflies. Hello, little explorers, and welcome back to the marvelous world of insects. I'm so excited you're joining me today because we're about to explore something truly magical. Have you ever been outside on a warm summer evening and noticed tiny lights flickering in the dark, like stars twinkling close to the ground? Maybe you thought you were seeing magic in real life. Well, you weren't far off. Those little lights come from fireflies, amazing insects that can glow. But why do they glow? How do they make their light? And what are they trying to say with their glow? Let's dive into this adventure and discover the secrets of these little nightlights, the fireflies. How fireflies glow. All right, let's uncover the magic. So how do fireflies glow? Deep inside their little bodies, fireflies have something called luciferin. Luciferin. When luciferin meets oxygen inside the firefly's body, it creates a special kind of light. And here's the amazing part. This light doesn't make heat like a light bulb does. It's called cold light. If you've ever touched a lamp, you know it gets hot. But a firefly can glow without getting hot at all. Imagine if we could make light without heat. It would be perfect for lighting up rooms without using energy. Extra fun fact. Firefly's cold light is so special that scientists study it to help create energy-efficient lights. Isn't it amazing that a tiny insect can inspire new inventions? Why fireflies glow? Now that we know how they glow, let's find out why they do it. Fireflies glow for a few important reasons, like sending messages. Yes, fireflies use their glow to talk to each other. Each species of firefly has its own unique flashing pattern. It's like their secret code. When a firefly wants to find a friend, it flashes in its special way to say, "Hey, I'm here." Fireflies of the same species can recognize each other by the way they blink. Fun fact, some fireflies blink in slow patterns and others flash really quickly. It's like having their own dance moves. Fireflies also use their glow as a warning. When a predator, like a frog or bird, sees a firefly flashing, it might think twice before eating it. Some fireflies have chemicals in their bodies that make them taste yucky to predators, so the flash can say, "Stay away, I'm not tasty." Life cycle of fireflies. Let's take a closer look at how fireflies grow. Like butterflies, fireflies go through a big transformation called metamorphosis. It starts with a tiny egg. After a few weeks, the egg hatches into a little, worm-like creature called a larva. And get this, even the larvae glow. They use their glow to send warnings, just like adults do, to keep themselves safe. Extra detail. After spending up to 2 years as larvae, they form a pupa, just like butterflies do in a chrysalis, and then emerge as adult fireflies ready to glow and find friends. But adult fireflies usually live only a few weeks, just long enough to find a mate and lay eggs. Even though their lives are short, they bring so much beauty to our world. Life cycle of fireflies. Let's take a closer look at how fireflies grow. Like butterflies, fireflies go through a big transformation called metamorphosis. It starts with a tiny egg. After a few weeks, the egg hatches into a little, worm-like creature called a larva. And get this, even the larvae glow. They use their glow to send warnings just like adults do to keep themselves safe. Extra detail. After spending up to 2 years as larvae, they form a pupa, just like butterflies do in a chrysalis, and then emerge as adult fireflies, ready to glow and find friends. But adult fireflies usually live only a few weeks, just long enough to find a mate and lay eggs. Even though their lives are short, they bring so much beauty to our world. The importance of fireflies and pollination. Fireflies are more than just pretty lights in the night sky. They help the environment too. Many insects, like bees, help plants grow by spreading pollen, and while fireflies aren't big pollinators, they're important because they help control pests. Fireflies often eat other small insects that can harm plants, so they help keep our gardens and fields healthy. Fun facts about fireflies. Here are some super fun facts about fireflies to remember. Fireflies have been around for millions of years, way before humans. Not all fireflies can glow. Some species don't have the special luciferin chemical. Fireflies are known as lightning bugs in some parts of the world, but they're actually beetles, not flies. Fun activity for kids. For a fun activity, how about going on a firefly hunt? Ask a parent or adult to take you outside in the evening when it's dark. Look for little flashes of light. See if you can spot any fireflies glowing in the grass or near trees. You can count how many you see and try to observe if they have a pattern. Just remember, fireflies are very delicate, so let's admire them from a distance and not try to catch them. Watching them glow in nature is the best way to enjoy their magic. Fireflies are a glowing reminder that nature is full of wonders. Even the smallest creatures have amazing abilities that can teach us a lot about science in the natural world. Fireflies teach us that being small doesn't mean you can't be bright and make a difference. Next time you see a firefly, remember how special they are and how much they add to our world just by being themselves. Thank you for joining us on this glowing adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, there's a whole world of tiny wonders waiting for you to discover.